Ever since Apple announced the MacBook Neo back in March, I have been clamoring to get my grubby little hands on that computer, and I thought, well, I don't want to pay for this computer, so what can I do to get a hold of this computer? Well, luckily I was able to convince my sister to get a new computer so we can unbox the MacBook Neo together. So everyone say thank you to my sister, because without her, we would not be unboxing this computer together. Now, I think the MacBook Neo is probably one of Apple's best Apple products they've released in a long time. I also low-key find it hilarious that she chose the blue one, because I literally just sold my iPhone 17 Pro Max this past month because I was tired of the blue color. This is the MacBook Neo and 512 gigabytes of storage with the Touch ID if you were curious, and we are going to peel this. Oh my god, that sound is beautiful. This peel tab is beautiful. I love it. I love opening up Apple products so much. So now we're going to do the reveal for you guys. We're going to see. Come on. Ho, 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 ho. Do you guys notice this? Look at every MacBook Neo has a little hello symbol on it. That is just so freaking adorable that it has it on there. But here she is, the MacBook Neo. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, we're gonna do it this way so we don't mess anything up. The MacBook Neo, I think this is actually a great size. This is a 13-inch computer. So here's what's in the box. You have this little sign that says designed by Apple in California, and then underneath it you get the charger. And the funny thing about the MacBook Neo is it actually has an iPhone charger. You have a USB-C cable along with a 20-watt USB adapter. So what we have right here, it says MacBook Neo right there, and then it shows off kind of how the MacBook Neo looks, and it's actually color matched to the computer that you buy. So this is actually the blue MacBook Neo. I wish they kept the Apple stickers for this computer, because having blue Apple stickers with your blue MacBook, it just sounds really, really cool. Nonetheless, we should actually open up this computer. Ooh. Ooh, oh, that is beautiful. Oh my god, this is a beautiful color. Look at that. That is a gorgeous computer. Here is the MacBook Neo. Oh my god, I absolutely love this color. A very light computer. Like, if I compare it, I'll compare it to my MacBook Pro in a minute. And that's another reason why I actually didn't buy this computer. This is my sister's computer, because I have a MacBook Pro that I edit all my YouTube videos on, and the MacBook Pro will run miles around this MacBook Neo any day. But nonetheless, I think this is still a gorgeous computer. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. Now we're gonna open up and hear the wonderful Mac sounds. Ooh, let's take off this peel. Oh, look at the color match keyboard. That is absolutely sick. Oh, this is a beautiful computer. Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Saying hello to us for the first time. That is beautiful. Just check out this keyboard. I absolutely love how it is color matched. It's not exactly a blue, but it's kind of like a bluish gray color. So we're actually going to take some aesthetically pleasing videos of this beautiful computer. It's just so fun and unique to have a colored computer. Like, that's just awesome. So this is the MacBook Neo. It comes in either two configurations, either 256 or 512 gigabytes. If you get the 512 gigabyte version, you actually get a Touch ID key, which is what my sister decided to opt into. I did let her know that was probably a good idea to get extra storage, because 256 gigabytes in 2026 for a computer is a little tiny bit low. Now granted, what she's usually doing isn't that big of a deal, but I would definitely say that to anyone who really does want to use this computer for multiple years, which my sister's going to be doing, you should definitely try to get the 512 gigabyte version. She's actually going to be upgrading from a MacBook Air M1 to the MacBook Neo. She just decided it's probably a good idea to get this computer now, when she gets the most trade-in value for her MacBook Air. Now, I'm not going to set up this computer with you guys today, because again, this is my sister's laptop, so I'm not going to set up her laptop for her. But I am going to be inserting a clip when the computer is completely set up and talk to you guys a little bit about it and show you guys kind of the cool features of the MacBook Neo. The MacBook Neo is now all set up. It's all set up by my sister, so I'm obviously not going to go into any important files or whatever, but I just want to show you guys kind of some of the cool features of this MacBook Neo, because it is a different computer than any other Apple product that has been released before. This keyboard is kind of a little bit controversial, mainly because of the fact that this keyboard does not have a backlight. But if I'm being completely honest, I don't think it matters to many people, because if you're typing at night, all you have to do to see the keyboard at night is just tilt your laptop screen a little bit more towards the keyboard, and you'll be able to see it at night. Another controversial take is that this trackpad is actually a normal everyday trackpad that like Windows laptops have and old MacBooks have. It's very much just a mechanical trackpad. Here's some ASMR of the trackpad. It sounds so cool, fun. It's very, very squishy. And if you ever want to access emojis on your keyboard, you just press this globe icon right here and you get access to all of these emojis. So now we're actually going to test out this web camera right here. Here is a test of the camera, and the camera isn't that bad. I mean, it's not the best web camera in the world. It's only a 1080p web camera. And the cool thing about the new macOS update is if you do want some extra light on your face, you go right into here, you tap this FaceTime icon, and then you turn on edge lighting. And as you can see like that, I have some edge lighting on my face. If it was a little bit dimmer, so if I were to turn off this light right here, you can see a little bit better, but I think it's pretty cool having that. And just if you want warm light, or you want cool light, or if you just want a little tiny bit of light or a lot of light. This is just a really cool feature. I absolutely love the edge lighting on the MacBooks. But I also can do cool things with the camera. I can do portrait mode, so I have portrait mode focused on my face right here. I can do reactions, do heart reaction. There's a thumbs up, do a thumbs down, some balloons because I want to be whimsy like that. You also can change the background, so if I wanted to change the background to something different, with the backgrounds, I'll be able to transport to Apple Park. And I'm presenting you guys with the brand new MacBook Neo because I am now the CEO of Apple. Tim Cook retired and I'm the new CEO. We can also do other backgrounds too. You can do this Apple background, this. But yeah, it's all the cool stuff you can do with the web camera on the MacBook Neo. Last thing I want to do is test out the speakers on this computer. So we're actually going to play some royalty-free iMovie music because... And obviously the speakers, if you didn't know, they're actually on the sides of the computer. They're not actually on the top of it, which is actually quite interesting that they have that. But the speakers are right there. I can't really test out the power of this computer because, again, I'm not logged into anything. I don't have any apps downloaded that are like really intensive. But I can assure you that the 8 GB of RAM for most people is going to be so good. But that pretty much is the MacBook Neo. And I have to say, this is a very, very good computer and a very, very good price. And I think a lot of people will absolutely love and enjoy this computer. And if you are a new MacBook user, I definitely recommend you check out my MacBook Beginner's Guide. I just posted that a couple months ago on my channel. So if you guys are new to MacBooks and you want to learn more tips and tricks, definitely be sure to check out this video right here because it's going to be extremely helpful for you guys. Now I'm going to do a little bit of comparison between this MacBook Neo and the MacBook Pro because it's kind of interesting to see Apple's cheapest laptop compared to Apple's most expensive laptop. So I want to give you guys a little bit of comparison right now. This is the MacBook Neo 13-inch and look how different they are. Wow, look at that. That's actually freaking crazy. This is the MacBook Neo versus the MacBook Pro. It is a lot smaller of a computer and it's definitely a lot lighter too. This is a lot lighter of a machine versus the MacBook Pro. As you can see, this one has a notch, this one does not have a notch. This one has very, very thick bezels versus this one actually has pretty small sized bezels. So they're very different machines. As you can see, this one definitely has a smaller screen versus this one. This screen's going to be a little bit brighter, a little bit higher quality. You still get a very, very incredible computer for the price with the MacBook Neo, and you get really fun colors. You also still get Touch ID. You get a very, very capable machine with the MacBook Neo, and I have to say, you're still getting a very powerful computer for literally a fraction of the cost of the MacBook Pro. I think the MacBook Pro starts at $1599 versus this computer starts at $599, which is crazy. Alright guys, that's going to be it for my MacBook Neo unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do truly appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. I also now do have a channel membership program, so if you were to pay for my channel membership, you get access to an exclusive video podcast where I talk about tech, the Technocritic podcast. I'm going to be posting 1 to 2 new episodes a month. Definitely be sure to check out my channel memberships because you will not be disappointed in the cool content I'm going to be showing you guys. You can also follow me on all of the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description down below and also right here. And I shall see you guys in the next video I do. Have a great day. Bye. So now I'm going to go and be very, very jealous that my sister has this beautiful laptop and I don't have this beautiful laptop, and it's just beautiful. Let's give one more round of applause to the iconic MacBook Neo. I mean, come on. Absolutely incredible.